Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. I've got an update on the Lseat debacle for you guys, and I've got some bad news, but some really good news. Stay tuned. All right, so we're going to start out with the bad news first. The bad news is Lseat did not fix the upper part of the seat. I asked them to refund my money plus have them send a call tag for the seats or the seat covers, and they didn't even respond to my email. They just went radio silent. But magically 2 or 3 days later, I got this. Haven't even opened it yet. And what this is it looks like it is another set of the bolster covers, which was only one of the things I pointed out in that video. So yes, it does look like it is a set of bolster cover, or the side bolster covers. Let's try stretching them on this pair of seats and see how they fit. Okay, so these are the new improved Lseat covers, which A, don't line up with the bar, B, aren't long enough to even reach the back of the foam, and if I really pull on it, they're not even close. We can compare one of these. So if we compare that to one of the factory LS bolsters, it does seem to be pretty close, but things just don't seem to line up. You can see here, it's just not right. And if I compare that to the stock bolster, you can see that even with just a quick, I just kind of pulled this on here real quick. Obviously this has a hole in it, and we're not going to use this. Just, it fits like it's supposed to. So thanks, Lseat, for sending me more junk. Okay, so what's the good news? Well, the good news is somebody that watched one of the videos commented and said that they were taking apart a set of Recaros and had a bunch of fabric. So a guy out of Europe named Johan actually messaged me and said, hey, I got a bunch of this fabric I'm taking apart from a set of seats that I'm recovering, and I'm going to hook you up, make you a great deal on it. And it was awesome. So let me show you what I got from Johan. So this is most of what I got from him. I got some covers, I got some like the upper jackets, got some bolster pieces. There's more stuff around, but I've used some of it, and I'll show you on one. So huge thanks to Johan, because now we have this. Perfect. So these look absolutely amazing. I've been holding out on the centers, not really talking about the centers too much. I had these stitched up a while ago over the summer, and man, these just look so good in here. I wish I had the rest of the interior together, because man, this is going to look so good when it's done. So this one is actually going to be the driver's seat. I got to swap it out for that one over there, and I got to work on those brackets a little bit. Eventually, I'm going to redo these seats for something, because these are also too cool to not use. All right, so don't buy from Lseat.com. Yeah, I got fleeced, and they did try to make it right, but they couldn't even come close. And I wasn't going to send my stock seat stuff off to have them make copies of it and not get anything in return from them potentially. So yeah, buyer beware. Some people have had really good luck with this company. I unfortunately did not, and got taken for about 300 and I think 60, 75 bucks, something like that. So I guess now that I have about a cow's worth of leather, if I knew how to sew, I could probably undo all the stitching and make my own patterns out of this stuff and get this stuff to sort of fit, which may be something I do with the fishnet headrest seats later. I don't know. But anyway, I got way too many other projects right now. So save your money, go to a local upholstery shop. Don't buy junk. That's all for this time. Until next time, get out there and work on something.